Tensions within Zimbabwe's ruling party ZANU-PF continue to escalate, despite efforts to downplay the growing power struggle between President Edi Mnangagwa and VP Chiwenga. Zanapina mashoko atona kuti aiwa vakomana atona kuti matensions aiwa between mutungamiri wenyika na vice president aiwa atona kuti anointensifya zvatakuona kuti military aiwa ichagona kuzvidzora. Anotova subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tivina muzimu aimuzora nhasi mudanyora achiti the battle has reached a fever pitch as Chiwenga's military supporters grow increasingly restless and impatient with the Mnangagwa's push for a controversial extension of his second term from 2028 to 2030. While Mnangagwa's political allies remain largely undeterred by the risks of direct confrontation, the stakes are rising. The presidency backers appear determined to press ahead, unshaken by the mounting internal opposition. Chiwenga's faction backed by military figures is now openly challenging Mnangagwa's authority, creating a volatile situation within the party. Lavina Matoke, a key Mnangagwa ally and ZANU-PF Secretary for Security in the Politburo, as well as the new State Security Minister, made his position clear. According to ZANU-PF insiders, Matoke declared, "Our position is clear. The president is staying. No two ways about it." Matoke's statement highlights the determination of Mnangagwa supporters who show no sign of retreating despite the growing pressure from Chiwenga's camp. Mashoko anobuda atogobana batona kuti aiwa Mnangagwa mutungamiri wenyika ataura kuzorora, but maloyalist emutungamiri wenyika ari kuratidza kuti aiwa they are determined kuti President Edi Mnangagwa vari clinged on to power. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pegondo yamuka ipi? Rekomend section medu mudze mafungiro enyu. Musangano subscribe or like, turn on the bell.